Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just sitting here somewhere in the total middle of nowhere. I will put a little map in here with a blue dot just to show you where I am. But I thought, well, I'm just sitting chilling. I'm going to do a bit of cooking in the van. I think I'll make a wee video about cooking in a camper van. And I eat a little bit differently in the van than I do at home, obviously. It's kind of like camping food. So I have today some of this tulip bacon grill. So I'm going to slice that up and fry it. I'm going to fry it with some mushrooms, and I'm going to make a little peppercorn sauce. So I'll need to boil some water for that. And obviously, rather than having a bottle of oil in the van, I use the spray stuff. I'm sure a lot of you use that as well. And another thing that I would only ever eat in the van, I don't really think it's full of flavour, and which is why I'm making the Bistos peppercorn sauce, is the old instant mash. I did used to get the smash variety, but I'm finding I'm preferring the Tesco brand. It's a wee bit buttery, but other than that it's kind of bland, but it does for in the van when you're camping. So yeah, let's get this concoction all made up, get a wee video of cooking in a camper van. So first of all, we've got the bacon grill. We'll get that opened up. It's got a ring pull on it as well, which I quite often look for cans with ring pulls. It's so much easier to open up in the van. I do have a tin opener in here, but like I say, if I can avoid using it, I will. Now, I don't really know how to get this stuff out of here. It's been a little bit of a time. Just slide it out there with a knife. There we are. So I'm just going to slice this up. I think probably the shorter way, given the length of the knife. It just seems to fit that way better, so we'll slice that like that. Doing the slices quite thick because the plan is to chop it into little cubes. So we'll just kind of do this. Don't know what the best way to do that is, probably like that. And there we go, we've got the little cubes of meat. So now we've got the cubes of meat all prepped up, we'll get a frying pan just here, and what I can do, because I'm on the edge of the counter, just going to hold the pan down there and kind of shove all the stuff in. There is a little something in my pan there. Right, so yeah, I'll get my pan filled up with that. Right, so that was certainly easier to do off camera. So the next thing I've got, I'll get my smash packet out of the way there. So I've got a tub here with some mushrooms from home. So we'll get them all sliced up and add them to the meat. Right, okay. Next thing I need, guys, is a little bit of water for the mash. Come on, there we are. Tapped in the one to run there. So I don't really know how much water you need. To be honest, there's something floating in that water, like a hair. That'll do. Right, so all I need to do now is add the mash into there, this bucket, which I can't do and film at the same time. So, boom, there's the just like that, there's the after. So just take to stir these mash flakes in there. Check the consistency, it's all good. Honestly, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Maybe I should have boiled the water first. Right, it's flamed on and I'm heating up my mash, but in all honesty, I think I should have done the water hot first and then added the flakes. But we'll see how it goes. So upon reading the box of the mash, you are meant to boil the water first, so I might have just fucked up my mash. But never mind, I'm going to just boil this up now and fry off my meat and my mushrooms. Oh, the mash is just working out absolutely beautiful. Right, that's everything frying off in there. Mash is heated up, giving it a taste test, and despite doing it wrong, it's turned out absolutely bogging as expected. But yeah, here we go. Campervan cooking, guys. You know, even if you make a mess of it, you just say to yourself, it's camping food, eh? The concoctions I used to make when I was away camping with a tent as well, because I'd have this wee single burner stove and everything would just go into one pot. At least now I've got 2 rings. Doesn't mean my cooking's any better. It's coming along though. Right, so that's the sauce all made up. Peppercorn sauce, the meat, the mushrooms. Got the mash already on the plate. It's a work of art, guys, a work of art. Right, there's the piece de resistance there, guys, all plated up. Ready to go. Right, taste test. It's actually alright. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.